Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video on Aqua Tourism. I'm Dr. Rakhi Dash, Assistant Professor, Department of Aquaculture, School of Agriculture, Sage University, Bhopal. Our today's topic is Aqua Tourism. Tourism is the largest and fastest growing industry across the world. It is a source of revenue and employment. It also gives the opportunity for people to understand the culture, civilization, and religious aspect of a country. There are many countries whose main source of revenue is tourism. Generally, aquatourism, also called natural tourism or water tourism. This is the tourism that combines sailing, boating, and diving with vacation and holiday activities. It is a form of tourism that is generally more popular in summer season. Now come to the point on importance of aquatourism. Aquatourism is interlinked with the natural environment and generates a lot of employment opportunities. Besides this, aquatourism offers great opportunity for emerging economies and developing of the countries. It creates job, strengthens the local economy, contributes the local infrastructure development, and can also have the conserve the natural environment. And generally, it enrich the culture, assets, and tradition, and to reduce the poverty and inequality also. Ecotourism in Madhya Pradesh. Generally, the Madhya Pradesh is rich with enormous natural resources, and this state is fully coated with adventure. The major two rivers, Narmada and Tapti, flow westward through the state towards the Arabian Sea. Major tributaries such as Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Sins, Ganga, and Varda, and the large number of lakes, dams, reservoirs, and waterfall also peppered the region and making the state very attractive for a variety of water-based activity. The capital of MP embodies the importance of water bodies to the region, and for the Bhopal is called the city of lake. Besides, the MP is famous for extravagant event organized each year is called Jal Mahotsav. The Jal Mahotsav is an 80-day long festival of food, art, nature, and sunrise. Generally, the Jalmast of conduct on the banks of the Indira Sagar Dam. Now come to the point on aquatourism in Kerala. Kerala get trademark for backwater stretches and pristine paddy fields which won travelers' hearts for a centuries. Surrounded by the majestic Western Ghat on the east and the mighty Bhimbanad Lake and Kuttanad rustic paddy fields on the west attract tourists to boating and fishing. Option of cruise to also help our tourists or for come across the rare life on display of that sanctuary like bird sanctuary which is Siberian storks, egrets, darters, herons and teals eagerly waiting for them. Conflicts between aquaculture and tourism. Direct competition between these sectors can arise on account of similar special requirement and environmental impacts. Conflicts are more likely on places where aquaculture is not a traditional small-scale sector or has intensified over the years. The first conflict is visual impact of aquaculture site. Sea caves, fish farms, or margin left typically have large surface structure that impact on the aesthetics of seascapes views for the shore. And supporting facilities or land may also have an effect on the coastline landscape, and especially if they are close to resorts or tourist beaches. Impact of aquaculture on water quality. Feeding cage fish introduces a large source of nutrients to coastal areas which can lead to eutrophications. This eventually leads to increased algae growth, including toxic species of algae, rendering the water less suitable for certain recreational activities also. Impact of waste on aquaculture. Generally, urban development and the disposal of untreated sewage from vessels can affect aquaculture, especially shellfish beds. And accidental damage to boats and aquaculture installments and installations also. And generally, underwater obstructions can be a hazard to craft that would otherwise be able to pass between a fish farm and the shore. A collision not only affects the tourist but also damages the fish farm, with all possible consequences to both sides also. Solution. Generally, this is the conflict problem solutions. We can follow the regional master plan, zoning for aquaculture and tourism, specifying the minimum distance from shore for aquaculture installations, supporting tourist activity in sea gardens, and next but not the least, stimulating aquaculture development with less visual impact. Thank you for listening me. Stay tuned and subscribe to our Sage University Bhopal page.